Okay. So, Shiva, so we were talking about this, for example, 62 hyphen 62 comma Delhi. So I want to fetch only this. Okay. So what I know is like it starts with some number and it ends with some character. So let's try to shorten this. We just see whether we can do it like this or not. It ends with some this thing now. Let's just put it till here. We'll see what will be the output. You're not seeing any output here. Why? Because here it starts with some number which is fine, but you have given asterisk also after this, zero or more occurrences. So you need to give something. You try to give dot so that it will be one or more occurrences after this. Okay, so this is matched once. This is matching. So this is for the sixth one. This is for the two, and then after that Delhi. Any doubts still here, Shiva?
No, Akash.
In the beginning you'll find a little complicated, but when you practice now, you practice these kind of characters, when you get used to it of all the special characters and all, so it will be very easy for you to understand, and it will be very easy when you are doing you're fetching any of the characters from any of the files, log files and all. So after that it will be easy once you start practicing all these things. Okay,
Sure, Akash.
just understand this, then after that you can practice in your sandbox. At least I'll share you the PPT for now, because recordings I'm not getting time to like edit and all. So give me some time, I'll try to finish everything by Sunday, but PPTs and all I'll give it to you.
Okay. So I need to go for one more review in the videos. That is what I'm looking. But I'm practicing
Okay,
in my
okay, so
sandbox in my environment.
okay, okay. So what I'll do is I'll try to give this grep at least this regular expression video now for now. And others videos I'll try to prioritize. I'll give low priority for those videos. Okay, because this is the most utmost important thing.
Okay.
Okay, so what I have done is like I have fetched the first record using this thing, right? I need to give period also so that this will come. Now my requirement is to fetch the second row. Now I want to fetch the second row. Okay, now you try it. Now how we'll give the regular expression? Just try it. No problem whether it will be wrong also. Now then I'll try to correct it. No issues. Just try it once. So if you just concentrate only on the second row. Okay, I want Pune hyphen 110051. So
Uh,
the if you see the first Pune part, it starts with some character, correct? So
yes.
what you can do is
Bracket under A to hyphen Z.
A in capital, right?
Uh,
Because P is in capital letters.
okay. Okay.
Or you can do one more thing also. You can give hyphen I. So this will be the case insensitive. Whether you will give the small or the low upper case, that doesn't matter. Okay, so you can give it like A hyphen Z. This will work for Pune, for P only. Now, what about the rest of the things? What about
A
the
to
U and E?
A to
Tell me.
Z, and after that, mm,
For U and E, you can give like
like
this thing
we need to bracket under bracket. It is 0 to 9.
under correct. Bilkul. Yeah, that's correct. 0 to 9. Absolutely. 0 to 9. Yes. Go ahead.
So yes, this will print the output.
This will print out. Let's try this. I'll just put it till here. Let's see what will be the output. You're getting this one, but you're getting the other characters also. But this is fine. You have guessed it correctly. But as we have the other values also, na, so I need to put some other characters also, some special characters also between this. Some regular expression I need to add so that only Pune hyphen 10051 will get printed. But your guess is absolutely correct. This one is absolutely fine. If we have, if our requirement is na, like to match these kind of characters, you can narrow down your search after this. You can use like compound commands to you can use cut command. You can also use the grep command also after that, and try to find this hyphen. So when you'll do it like this, so you'll get two output. Now your requirement, you can again, you can narrow down your search. You can use this grep. Then after that, what you can do is you can put like this, you can put it like this 0-9. After that dollar you can put, so you'll get only first number.
Okay.
Correct. You can use these type of characters now if you are not if you're getting a big list, but from the like from the entire list you're getting the sub list, you're getting some of the rows. You can narrow it down using the compound commands, the way which I have done. Like I've used pipe, then after that I've used hyphen, then after that again I've used grep, and I know that this value ends with some number, so I've given 0-9 at the end. Correct. So this is how you can work when you have large set of file. So let's try to add some more characters, so that we'll get only Pune hyphen 10051. Okay. So this is fine, whichever you have told. A to Z is correct. Then after that, I have given for U and E, I have given the star asterisk. Then I know it ends with some number. So put dollar here. And when you will give it like this, you'll get this output. Correct.
Okay.
Now let's try to fetch the third row. Let me just, okay, let's just put everything grep. Now tell me, how will you fetch the third row? Just I'll just give the file name, file1.txt. Yeah, tell me, Shiva. I want to fetch the third row. How will you fetch it?
So to fetch the third row, it should be a double
It
slash.
starts with some double slash. Why double slash?
Not a double slash.
Per bracket.
No. So
This one you're
shift,
saying.
shift and comma. So it is.
Okay, caret. Okay, anchor. Okay, yes, this is fine. Next one.
So in the flower bracket, it should be A to Z.
A to Z, absolutely correct. Next, I'll just put hyphen I so that it will this string will be case insensitive. Okay. Okay. What
Okay.
will the next thing?
And then a full stop,
Okay.
and again star.
Okay. Next.
In the flower bracket 0 to in the flower bracket 0 to 9.
0 to 9. Okay. Fine.
So after that, we need to in the flower bracket again.
Correct.
It is A to Z.
A to Z. Okay. So if I press enter, then it so you okay. So you are saying that when I'll press enter, you'll get the output, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's see what will be the output. So it's, if you see this P-56 is coming, but along with that, some other characters is also coming. Now what you can do is you can use, either you can go for this compound commands and put like A to Z, then after that dollar symbol. This will also not work. You'll get both the outputs in. One second. Yeah. So here if you see, there are multiple ways to fetch this. File1.t. Sorry, this is not required. But when I will press enter, again you'll get both things. Okay. So our requirement is to fetch only this thing P-56. Okay. So another way what you can do is, this is the one, no? No, not this one. Let me see the last command. This is the one. Okay. So what you can do, grab, then after that, because hyphen is there, then you can give hyphen. Yeah. So with hyphen also you can get the output. But if you want to print this with this, so sorry, yes, sure, sorry. Yeah. One second. What was the output of this? Yeah. So what I'll do is, see, 0 here, A to Z is for the this one is correct. Till here, this is fine. Till 8, like the number is there, now 56. So sorry, we were looking for which one? Third one or
The
fifth one? Fourth one? Third one, no?
third one.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So for the third one, till here it is fine. Till 8 it is fine. Then after that we have given it like this. But after this also we have some number, correct? We have some
Yes.
number here. So you can put, either you can put star or you can put period. Both are fine. But in both the searches, if you see the differences for the hyphen, correct? So what you can do is, before this number, you can put this hyphen. Like before this 56, before this 5, you can put this hyphen. And when you press
Okay.
enter, you'll get the output. Correct?
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Got it? Now? Or instead, if you don't want to put hyphen, what you can do is, if you know the characters, you can put the characters P. You have already searched between A to Z. Then for hyphen, you have given this thing, dot, period. And this one is for 8, sorry, 5, and this one is for 6. And after that, what you can do is you can put dollar. But in this case, you'll get both the outputs. Just, so this one, why this one got printed? Because I have given the number of characters exact same as the value which I'm looking for. At least from the starting ones, it is the same value, right? A to Z is for the P, then hyphen. One second, this is not the one, right? Yeah, this one was there, correct. So P, this starts with P. Then for hyphen, I have given this thing, what to say, this period. Then after that, some number is there, right? In the third character, the some number is there. But if you see this, na Shopify 88 Flipkart, in this case, the characters are not matching. That's why that value didn't show in your screen. Only this value comes up. Correct now?
Yes.
Okay. I've started the recording, right?
Yes, it is recording.
It is recording. Okay. So, let me just clear the screen and we'll see the next one. Now my requirement is to fetch the fourth row only. Now let's just try, Shiva. How will you fetch the fourth row? So in the fourth row, it starts with some characters, right?
Character hyphen I, and then in the floor packet A to Z.
A to Z. Okay. Then after that,
Full stop.
okay.
So and then uh, in the floor
Start.
bracket, in the floor bracket there will be, I mean, 0 to 8, and then full stop. Again floor bracket, there will be A to Z.
A to Z. Okay, press enter. See, this output came up. Why? Because the number of characters here you have mentioned, A to Z is for P, dot is for hyphen. Then the third character is some number, which is 5. Then dot is for 6. And A hyphen Z is for care. But my requirement is to fetch this one. So it's just what you can do is, I want this one now. So here you can give star for shop C, like for the rest of the characters, then in between some number, then after that, after the number, you can give in this to Z, then dot star. Let's see. Now two things comes up, right? Two things comes up. One is P hyphen 56 and another one is shop C 88 Flipkart. Now, but my requirement is to print only shop C 88, correct? So
Yes.
what I'll do is, let me just remove this and try with this. Yes, this works. Why? What I have done here is, I've given A hyphen Z, okay? And I want 0 or more occurrences of the same thing, A to Z, because I've given it after this, na, A hyphen Z. So it will look only between this range. So all the other characters like from HOPS5 will get covered in asterisk. Okay. Then after that, I have given some number. This is 0 to 9. And for the, again, for the 8, you have given this dot and A to Z. Then rest of the things remain same after that. Correct.
Okay.
So the difference between this dot, if you see, if you put it like this, not dot then star. So what it does is, dot can be anything, right? Only one character, anything. It could be special character, it could be number, it could be any string, any character, any alphabet, right? But my requirement is to print shop C 88. And these two, if I give it like this, press enter, you'll get two values. But my requirement is to get only shop C 88 Flipkart. Now what I'll do is, instead of this, because I know that this dot is covering this hyphen also. So what I'll do is, I'll just remove this because I know there's no special character in this, but number is there somewhere in between. I'm not sure about the position. So for that, I've given 0 hyphen 9, but for the rest of the characters, I've given the star. So when you press enter, you get Shopsy 88 Flipkart. Correct?
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Let me clear this. Okay. Now my requirement is to fetch the 5th row. Yeah, try Shiva. What command you'll give in this?
Double hyphen, under double hyphen. So for dollar, it's a special character. So what will we give for that?
Escape character.
Okay.
So if you
Escape
give it
dollar.
only dollar, what it does is, it will print from first to last row. Correct?
Okay. Okay. Yes.
And if you give it like this, it will print from first to last row. Correct? Because start, this means this as caret means start and dollar means end. So you'll get everything. Now my requirement is not like, one second, let me just clear the screen first. Yeah, but my requirement is to fetch only 5th row. So for that, what you have mentioned, special this escape character, right? This
Yes.
one.
Yes. Escape character, and then in the floor bracket.
In the floor, acha, okay, you
Ah.
tell me. No problem. Yeah, tell me. In the
Yeah.
floor bracket.
No,
Yeah.
no, not like that. So
Dollar.
after dollar escape escape character 6,
Then
then
in
A to
this
Z. In the floor bracket, A to Z.
A to Z. Okay, okay. Shall I press enter? We'll see the
Yes.
output. Yeah, this is the correct one. Okay. Now let's try to fetch the 6th row.
So
which
if
is
we
some
give a forward slash, so what will give the output for this?
forward slash. Let's see this one. No?
Yes.
Nothing.
Okay.
Because this is, yeah, this doesn't mean anything. For escape character, we have this backslash. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's try to fetch the other rows. Now my requirement is to fetch the sixth row. Can you try? Grab.
Grep and then double slash.
Okay.
Sorry, not a double slash. So what we call it is
Okay. This slash, no, forward slash.
no, double, not a slash. So shift and semicolon. Sorry, not a semicolon.
Acha, that one, carrot or anchor, anything you can say.
Okay.
Anchor also you can say. Okay. Now,
And then in the flower bracket, A to Z.
A to Z. My
Sorry,
requirement is to
sorry,
fetch
sorry.
this one.
0 to 9, 0 to 9,
0 to 9. Okay. Fine.
0 to 9, and then backward, forward slash.
Forward slash. Okay.
So it's
This one
okay.
also. Right?
So it's a backward slash. Okay.
Backward slash. Okay.
Forward.
But
And
this
then
has some special meaning. Na? Okay. Yeah, try. Then after that.
and in the flower bracket, 1 to, let's see, 0 to 9,
Okay. Next.
and then
Again,
same.
like this, you will give, right?
Yes.
0 to 9. Okay. Let's see the output of this. Nothing comes up. Why? I'll tell you. See, you tried with this part, which is fine. Carrot 0 to 9. This is correct. Then after that, you have given slash. But what about 0 and double 2? 2 will match from here, but what about 0 and double 2? So you need to give asterisk, correct, for the rest of the characters. Then this one has some special meaning. So 1 second. Yeah. This is for divide now. 1 second. Okay, let's try with this. And here also this is fine, but this will match only 0. What about 3? You need to give asterisk here again. For the next one also, this is for 1, 6. 1 will match, but this will not match. This is your output. You got it correctly. Only the asterisk was missing. Everything was fine apart from this. Another way of doing it, if you are sure that you are looking only for date part now, so what you can do is you can simply, this is like this. If you put it like this, you'll get the output. Hai na? This is the
Yes.
another way. This is the another way. But your way is correct, absolutely correct. This is the another way. We see the next one. Second, yeah, this is the one. Now till here, sixth we have completed. Now my requirement is to fetch seventh and eighth row because both are numbers. Now how will you do that, Shiva?
So for that,
7 and 8 row, some number. I want to print some numbers simply.
under flower bracket, it is 0 to 9.
And 0. Yeah. 0 to 9. Okay. Shall I press enter?
So it will show 2 character 6.
See, you'll get this output because it is matching whichever rows is starts with some number. Okay. Now, what changes will you make?
No idea, Akash.
Just write. So if I give asterisk and press enter, this is the output. Again, because everywhere we have some number. And this one comes up because we have this asterisk here. Let me just clear this. the screen. My requirement is to fetch only the numeric part. So what I can do is 0 to 9, this is fine, asterisk is fine. Now I want only the number. So what I'll do is I'll put 0-9 because it ends with number now. Then what will be the output? This is the output. Because it ends with some number of, correct? But if you remove it, if you remove this, at present you will get this much, correct? Because, but if you see in the first one, it ends with some, this one, some character. Here we have some special characters in between. Here also we have some special characters. Here also we have some asterisk character. So what I'll do is, I'll just put dollar here so that it will print the other two numbers.
Yes.
Correct? Okay, let me just clear the screen again. Let's see the next values. Now my requirement is to fetch the 9th row. Try, Shiva.
So for 9th row, it should be the special, I mean, backward slash and ash and dollar.
Dollar. Okay. Yeah, this is the output. But if you see, we have two values here.
So
Correct?
in the bracket, there should be 0 to 1, 0 to 9.
0 to 9. Okay. Then after that, if you will get this out. Correct. This is also fine. Now, let me just clear the screen again. Now let's try to fetch the other values. Now my requirement is to fetch the last, okay, 10th row, first 10th row. I want to fetch only 10th row.
Grep
Correct?
double colon
Anchor sign, okay.
yes. So
Some
here
number
0
is there,
to
no?
0 to 9.
0 to 9. No. 0 to 4 also you can put. Any number you can put. It's just the range, na? I'm looking for between these two distance. So 0 to 9 I'm looking for. Okay, next.
Okay. Or else 0 to 1.
0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1. Fine.
And then after one more full stop and then
Full stop, then asterisk, huh?
asterisk s.
Okay, next.
And then
0 to
8
9.
to, yes, 0 to
8
9.
to 9. 8 to 9. You'll put 8 to 9. Let's see the output. Yeah, this is the output. This is correct.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's try to fetch the 11th row. How will you fetch that 11th row?
For 11th row, asterisk, character, and then floor
Okay.
bracket. In the floor bracket, there will be we can mention like 7 to
7 to 9.
9.
Yes. Of course, you can put. Yes, definitely.
We'll go for the enter.
But if you, okay, let's try. But you have missed something here. See, you have given the starting should be some number, but the starting is with some character, some asterisk, special character. So here what you can do is you can give it like this, right? 1 second. It starts with some number. Asterisk. This is also not working. Let me try another thing. Will this work? No. Will this work? No. Let's see something else. So for we have star at the starting now. So if I put it like this, it is printing two records. It is printing the second one, but my requirement is this is the starting position now. Then why it is not taking? Let me just put this in asterisk. Let me just see whether this is working or not. No, this is also not working. So if I, okay, this is the start thing. Okay, this is working, but why the rest of the things is not working? Second, and let's put it here. This is also working. Acha. Okay, if I give it like this, then it won't work. Okay. Oh, this is working. Earlier it wasn't working. I tried it. Ah, it was. Oh, it's working. Fine, fine, fine. It was my mistake. I missed something. Okay. Let me just fetch the strings. Yeah. So now my requirement is to get the 11th string, but it starts with some star, right? Asterisk, asterisk is there in the beginning, and asterisk is having some special meaning, right? So I have
Yes.
nullified this using the skip character. Okay. And what about the rest of the stars? So for that, I have given star. Here, star means a star. Means 0 or 1 occurrences, 0 or more occurrences.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes.
So, and this is correct. 7-9 is correct. So when you will press enter, we get this output. Now try
Yes,
for the
Akash.
12th one. 12th one.
So for 12th one, grep in the floor
Fine.
bracket. In the floor bracket, it's 0 to 5. Sorry, 4 to 5.
Anything you can give. 0 to 5 is also fine. 4 to 5, no? Okay, you want to go for 4 to 5? I'll give it 4 to 5. Next.
And then one more full stop.
Okay.
And then one more floor bracket.
Okay.
From 6 to 5.
6 to 5. So, sorry, 5 to 6, right? So here, if you see, something is missing. Let me press enter, then I'll tell you. See, you have given 4. This is fine. For the 5, you have given this dot. This is also fine. But what about this asterisk part?
So for
This
asterisk part, we should give like uh, after 4 to 5 full stop. Yes. From there, backward slash.
Fine. Asterisk.
Asterisk and one more asterisk.
One more asterisk. Then after
Yes.
that, enter.
Yes.
I think 10th will also come in this. Oh, 10. Okay, got it. Why? Because I have given it like this. Okay, fine, fine, fine. This
Oh,
is fine. This is
we
fine.
have given 5
Because
to
the
6
range,
parameter only.
exactly,
Range.
exactly. Yeah, yeah, ranges is like this. So if I change the range, let's see whether we'll get the output or not. Oh, there all why we are not getting that the 10th row. Why that is not coming? Let's see why. Acha, because here I have given the two characters, na? First one and the second character, and third one I have given it like this. And this comes after I think 11th or 12th character. That's why. So if you give it
In
like this,
starting
na,
also we have given 4 to 5, right?
4
So
to 5, exactly, exactly. Correct, correct.
yes, Akash. And Akash, I have one call at 10. Sorry, 11.
Yeah, yeah, that's it. Actually, that was the last one. So let's keep it till here because we have seen only.
So please upload this video in your YouTube channel so that it will
Correct,
so
correct.
much useful for me.
Sure, sure, definitely. I'll do it. I'll do it. No issues. Okay.
Sure, Akash.
Yeah. Thanks,
Uh,
Shiva, for joining this session. Thank you.
thank you so much for the wonderful session. Thanks a lot, sir. Akash.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.